today will be a great day ever. So we will learn about something interesting, insightful. So before we play the lessons and before we start the fun activities, so I need to check your attendance list. Maulida Zahra,
Present.
Fatan, present. Okay. There's who absent today?
Safira.
Saviola, okay, Saviola absent today. Thank you everyone. So, before we start, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Pray, finish. So everyone, this activity will be fun because we will learn about nature. So everyone, what do you usually see in nature? Trees, good. Stone. So, like as you can see, I will show the picture of nature, everyone. This called as an ecosystem. So, what you see here?
Water.
What you see here?
Water.
Water, stone, like Lara said, trees, like Fatan said, and there's other. It's of course, sun. I will give you the brief explanations about ecosystem. Ecosystem, as we can see, it's connected with the nature itself, or we can see in outside, like we are out from this class, we will see the ecosystems happen in real life experiences. So ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living surroundings. So like I said, there is a soil, water, trees, grass, and a lot of things. So here's ecosystem, there is a biotic and abiotic elements or components. The biotic one is the living components. Meanwhile, the abiotic is the non-living components. Can you mention it, guys? Biotic? Fish.
Crocodile.
Yes, great.
Is it plants is biotic?
Plants? Yes, it's biotic. So we call it as living components. Meanwhile, abiotic is non-living components. Okay, everyone, I will show you the picture of the ecosystem of rice field or rice field ecosystem. What do you see in this rice field ecosystem? Snake. There is duck. And many more. So I will give you a worksheet to list these ecosystems that you found and that you see. Minimum for the 10 components or 10 ecosystems, and mention the functions of each ecosystem that you list. For the example, the eel. There is benefit for the soil, to make soil great, to make the plants grow too. So you will mention it and write down on the worksheet I give. So please do this worksheet. Like, don't forget to write your name, and please separate it between the abiotic and biotic one and list the function. Okay, everyone, have you done?
Yes.
Oh, great of you. So the next one, I will show you a video that is about ecosystem song. So you will analyze that song. If you don't know the functions of each element, so you will hear and you will listen the songs and you will know it about the functions of each element and components in the rice field ecosystem. Let's play it. So everyone, here's the ecosystem song, so you will hear and analyze what the functions of each element and components in the rice field ecosystem.
System song. Sun in the sky shining bright, airy brave, day and night. You know water flows in the land, soil and mud with our hands. They are abiotic, not alive, but how all living things survive. Biotic, abiotic, can you see? Living and living in a harmony.
So everyone, after doing the worksheet one or the first worksheet, you already watched that video too. So I think you have known about the definitions of each components or each element. So I will instruct you to do the worksheet 2 or the second worksheet. It's about fill in the blank. So in the blank space, you may guess what is the vocabularies or the name of elements. So after the blank space, there is a definitions of that components or elements. So you might guess what is the name of the components. So you do it in 5 minutes.
It's plant or other animal. It's a non-living component. It's plant or other animal. This is an animal?
Yeah.
An animal. A bird.
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Correct, everyone. So the answer is eagle. So we will take turn between Fatan and Rara. Fatan will guess and Rara will give the clue and will give the hint.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
It is on the dirty place.
Dirty place. Small.
Yeah, small.
Frog.
No.
Mouse.
Yeah.
That's correct, everyone. Both of you doing really great in this role play games. It's about eagle and a mouse. So is that fun for the games?
It's fun.
Yes. In the last sessions, I have another worksheet for you all. After knowing the vocabularies, the main functions of each components and elements, you have to write down on your own. You choose the topic that I've already provided. There is a sea ecosystem, lake ecosystem, river ecosystem, or you have another options of ecosystem. That's enough for you, or that's great for you all. So you may choose the ecosystems and follow the rules of the sentence. I've already provided the example of how to write the sentence. It's using simple English. For the example, what is the first sentence, Fatan?
A rice field ecosystem consists of biotic and abiotic components.
Okay, great. That one, everyone. So you might write, for the example, a sea ecosystem is a biotic ecosystem that full of biotic ecosystem. There is a fish and many more. So please do it in 10 minutes. So I will wait for you all, and don't forget to collect to me. Do you find difficulties, everyone?
No.
No? Okay, I think you are already great. Have you done?
Yeah.
Yes, you may collect it to me, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you, Rara. Thank you, Fatan. All of you is doing really great in this class, so I hope the class will be fun and insightful for you all. Everyone, before I close this lesson or learning activity, please let us summarize and review again what we have learned today. It's about
Ecosystem.
ecosystem. So, the two components of ecosystem, mention it. Rara?
Abiotic.
Abiotic and Fatan?
Biotic.
Biotic. Yes, that's right. And about biotic?
Biotic like animals.
Animals. It's all of you could mention it and explain the main functions very well. So give applause for us. Okay, before we close the sessions or the learning sessions, I have a homework for you all. So you have to create a mini digital ecosystem that you have write down on the last assessment. For example, Rara choose the sea ecosystem. So you will explain the main function or each functions of ecosystem in the sea itself. Do you understand, guys? Yeah. Okay, before we close the learning sessions, please pray together. Pray finish. And don't forget to do the homework. The deadline is the next week. So for the next meeting, we will talking about and we will discuss about cell, everyone. So prepare it for the next meeting. Okay, thank you everyone. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you everyone. See you.